Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And this is a quick Tech Travel Geeks tutorial on how to factory reset your iPhone and wipe all data off it. This may be a useful thing to do if you're giving your iPhone to a family member, or just selling it on, or even if just trading it in. They will require you to factory reset it and de-link it from your iTunes account. So it's pretty simple. You go to Settings, scroll down to the General section. In the General section, go down to the bottom, you've got Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on that, and then you can reset or erase all content and settings. I'm going to go for the bottom option. I'm going to erase all content and settings. Now, so in this case, I'm going to be erasing or clearing out the apps and data, my Apple ID, and my Find My activation lock. So I'm going to make sure this is all done. So I'm going to continue. Now you need to enter your passcode. So apparently it's uploading data to iCloud. It's still estimating how long this is going to take, but it shouldn't take long. Upload to iCloud failed. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi. Oh well, erase anyway. I'm sure there's nothing that important on it. Then you need to enter your Apple ID. Okay then, so once you do that, you reset the iPhone and it goes back to normal. You can essentially put it in the box and give it to someone, or sell it on, or trade it in for the shiny new thing. In our case, we've done just that, and we have the iPhone 14 Pro already unboxed, set up, and there's going to be a series of videos of cases such as this lovely Pitika one. So if you don't already subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks, please do so for our continuing coverage of the iPhone 14 Pro, as well as any gadgets and accessories and anything we think makes the travel experience better. Anyway, to wrap things up, one thing that I haven't done yet, but I will do whilst this process of the Apple reset is happening, is if you have an iPhone 13 Pro and are in Europe, or you have any iPhone with a physical SIM tray, just remember to take your physical SIM card out. It's an important part of resetting and essentially giving away your phone. Don't give away your SIM card. Make sure that stays with you, because that's where your phone number is, as well as your account is tied to it. So we've reset the iPhone. The three things that get reset are your personal data, your Find My data, and your iTunes account sync. Once that's done, you enter your password and you're back to normal. There we go. This is the hello welcome screen on iOS 16. This is as if it were a new iPhone. So I'm going to put this away and give this to a friend. For now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.